What are you doing?
Filming.
Oh, don't film it yet.
No, I want to film it now because I want to film a long video of the signal. Possible almost there. That's how I do it, Mom. Don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad at you.
I just want to, if the train was right there, I want to, I don't want to have to, the gate went down, we might, just in case we miss it, you know. But mostly I want to film a signal in case it's doing something. I don't know, Mom, what time is it?
5:30.
Mom.
What?
What time is it?
5:30.
I'm just asking, I'm not.
Yeah, I know.
I just want to know because that's how I do when I check the signals. Let me roll the window down. My flashlight's on. I have to turn it off after. There's a signal of 31 miles, and it's Township, Michigan, outside of Richmond, Michigan. No way. No one can, no. Green red. Southbound is getting on the line for a real while. Truthfully, it's blinking yellow when before it comes, you know. Usually, it's green means it's
Nick
closer.
sent me this from Helco.
You told me Nick wasn't going.
Huh?
Nick is
Green
going.
red. Yep, it'll probably be a while now.
I said that Andrea was.
Well, let's wait and see. Maybe we'll turn him. Maybe he'll turn him. What's the light?
He's taking someone else, or he's going to Andrea.
We have 2 more crossings to cross, so.
Oh, she goes to different school?
Yeah.
Coming from Port Huron now. Yep.
She goes to Northern?
Hang on, let's check this.
What?
Landmark.
I got the signal.
That was her old school before, though. I think that's why she moved back.
Landmark.
Hey guys, it was green red, so there's a southbound on the track, but we don't know when, so.
Yeah, that's probably
Here.
what happened.
Let's see if we see the light. I don't think so. Nope. Son of a- One more crossing in town, so.
I have no idea.
Hey Mom.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
33 was red.
What is it?
And not 33, pound one.
Nothing can go north. No, coming.
It's been a while since I've got a signal finally. There's Richmond. Sorry, we just passed the house. Oh, yeah, they attend that.
We went to Walmart near us. So
Yes.
right
Mom,
here.
can you move your head so I can get to town?
Grandma said there is one, but it sucks.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh, the closest
We're in the car,
one's
it's
all
fine.
That kid's
There's the grain elevator.
small to be outside all by himself.
I see
Oh,
Ace.
someone walking.
I see Ace.
You're on the wrong side of the
What did you think I saw?
My flashlight's on. My flashlight.
What did you think I saw?
Alright guys, here's town.
I don't know if I've ever had anything at Tivoli's.
It looks funny. Look at the film. Let me turn the flashlight
I
off.
always go home and then
Guess who this is?
I got candy there
No.
once when we were trick or treating around
Damn it.
Tivoli's.
oh really?
Red though, yeah.
I know you do.
No, I don't care.
Does anyone have water?
No.
Guess who this is?
Go and it'll be a huge shit
What? Walmart?
Yeah.
What about Walmart?
Oh, we tried. Alright, let me turn the flashlight off.
Are we going on the way home?
Hey Mom,
Hi.
what's going on?
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Are we waiting or no?
No, we don't have time to wait, bud. Okay?
This sucks.
You'll have train this week, okay?
Huh?
You'll have trains this week. It's gonna
Was it
be a
red
long. What?
Wasn't it red?
Was what red? Was it?
I put a pound mark.
I imagine.
Alright, fine. I'll just-
Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
That means it's coming, but it's be a little bit.
Yeah.
So when we get to Port Huron, it'll probably be past, but we'll see. I don't know, maybe it's still there. Hang on. Stop recording. Hopefully I got the signal good though.